Welcome to Practoray. This video will help you on how to use and make the most of Practoray's advanced calendar. So, let's start with a quick overview. Ray's calendar is the most widely used feature. It makes your work significantly easier by allowing you to organize the clinic's practice and get a realistic view of the appointment schedules in one glance. The calendar also allows you to directly access many other features from it. When you open the calendar, the left side of your screen will list all the doctors that are a part of your practice. To check the schedule of any particular doctor, you simply need to click on the doctor's name and you will be presented with a filtered view of that doctor's schedule alone. Adding appointments on the calendar is extremely easy. For example, if a patient calls to schedule an appointment, you can go to the date they want the appointment for and click on that time slot. In the new window that opens up, you can enter the patient's details and save the appointment so that it now reflects on your calendar. All the online appointments from Practo.com will automatically be scheduled in your calendar and marked with a lightning symbol to indicate it as an online booking. It is recommended that all telephonic and walk-in appointments are immediately scheduled on the calendar so that patients booking online can have a realistic view of available time slots. On the right side of the screen, you will see all the appointments scheduled for today. This is your patient queue and consists of 3 status categories: check-in, engage, and check-out. Once a patient has arrived at the clinic, you can check them in by clicking on the drop-down menu next to their name and selecting the check-in option. When the doctor is ready to engage with the patient, you can change the status to engage by using the same drop-down option. And finally, once a patient is done with their consultation, you can check them out by once more using the drop-down menu. Making these status updates will enable you to track average and total waiting times and identify areas for improvement. You would have noticed that each time you checked in a patient or engaged them, the numbers changed accordingly at the color-coded status bar at the top. This allows you to have an accurate picture of today's appointments. For a comprehensive calendar view, depending on what you want to check, you can change the view to day, week, or month by selecting any of these options from the right top corner. By selecting the day view, you can see what the schedule is like for that day and plan new appointments accordingly. Using the week view is useful for when you want to scan the entire week's schedule to find empty slots for that specific week. The month view is best for when you want to plan vacations in advance.